stop scrolling. Do you know the time right now?
Can you say it in English?
Not book English.
Real English.
Welcome to Mastery in English.
Today, time will feel easy.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mastery in English. I am Emma.
And I am Henry. We are happy you are here.
Today, we talk about time. Time in English.
Yes, a very important topic.
Many people know numbers, but they feel shy with time. They feel confused.
Yes, they know 1, 2, 3. But time feels hard.
Today, we change that. We make time easy. We make time friendly.
And confident. Very confident.
We use simple English, slow English.
A 1 and A2 level. Perfect for beginners.
First, relax. Take a deep breath.
You're safe here. You can learn slowly.
Henry, tell me something. Why is time important?
Time is everywhere. At work, at home, at school.
Yes, at the doctor, at the airport, on the phone.
People ask time every day.
They say, "What time is it?" Or, "What time do you come?"
Or, what time is the meeting?
So today we learn this, step by step.
Easy steps.
Let us start very simple, with a question. Henry, ask me the time.
Okay, what time is it?
Good, this is very common. What time is it? Repeat with me. What time is it?
What time is it? Very good.
Another way is, what's the time? It means the same.
Yes. What time is it? And what's the time?
Both are correct. Both are normal. Both are friendly.
Now, let us answer. This is important.
Yes. Answering is the key.
Look at the clock in your mind. Imagine a clock.
A simple clock. With numbers.
Let us start with full hours. Like 1 o'clock.
Yes. Very easy.
If the time is 1 o'clock, we say, it is 1 o'clock.
Repeat. It is 1 o'clock.
It is 1 o'clock. Good.
O'clock means full hour. No minutes.
Only the hour.
2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Very simple.
Henry, ask me again.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Good. Very clear. Now, learners, listen carefully.
We often say it's, not it is.
Yes. It's 3 o'clock.
Repeat. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Very natural. Very real English.
Now, let us add minutes. Small steps.
Yes. No stress.
Look at 3:05. How do we say it?
We say, it's 3:05.
Yes, not 3:05, 3:05.
Repeat. It's 3:05.
It's 3:05.
O means 0, 05.
Yes.
3:10. It's 3:10.
3:15. It's 3:15.
Very good. This is digital time.
Like phone time.
Now, pause. This is important. Digital time is common.
Very common.
People use phones. People use watches.
So this way is safe.
Now, let us practice more. Henry, ask me again.
What time is it?
It's 6:20.
Nice. Very smooth.
Now you try. I ask. What time is it?
It's 8:45.
Good. Very good.
Learners, repeat. It's 8:45.
Now we add something new. AM and PM.
Yes, this confuses many people.
But today it will be easy. Very easy.
AM means morning. From night to noon.
From 12 at night to 12 in the day.
PM means afternoon and night. From noon to night.
Let us say examples. 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 a.m.
Repeat. It's 7 a.m.
7 o'clock in the evening. It's 7 p.m.
It's 7 p.m.
Good. This helps with clarity.
But listen, many people do not say AM or PM. They use context.
Yes, context means situation. Morning or night.
If I say, I wake up at 7, people know it is morning.
If I say, I eat dinner at 7, people know it is evening.
So relax. You are okay.
Now let us talk about another style, the clock style.
Yes. With past and to.
This is very common in spoken English, especially in the UK.
But we keep it simple.
Let us start with half past. 3:30. It is 3:30.
Repeat. It is 3:30.
Half past means 30 minutes after. After the hour.
Yes.
4:30. 4:30.
Easy.
Now 15:15, 3:15, and it is 3:15.
Repeat. It is 3:15.
Quarter means 15 minutes, 1/4 of an hour.
Now, 3:45. 3:45. It is 3:45.
Repeat, it is 3:45. 2 means before the next hour, 15 minutes before.
Learners, this is very useful. But do not worry, digital time is also fine.
Yes. Choose one style. Feel confident.
Let us practice with questions. Emma, ask me.
What time is it?
It's 5:30.
Good. Very natural.
Ask again.
What time is it?
It's 9:15.
Nice.
Ask again.
What time is it?
It's 11:15.
Very good. Now learners, listen. You can mix styles. It's okay?
Yes, you can say, it's 9:15, or it's 9:15.
Both are correct. Both are English.
Now, let us talk about daily life. Real life English.
Yes. This is important.
Emma, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Or I wake up at 7.
Yes, both work.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8.
Nice. What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
Very clear.
Now, learners, repeat after me. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Now evening. Henry, what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Or just say, at 7.
Yes.
Nighttime. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Good. Very common sentence.
Learners, repeat. I sleep at 11 p.m.
Now questions again. This is very important. Asking questions.
Yes. English is about asking.
You can say, What time do you wake up?
What time do you work?
What time do you eat lunch?
What time do you come home?
Simple pattern. Very powerful.
Let us repeat one. What time do you wake up?
Good. Now answers. I wake up at 6:30.
Nice.
Or I wake up at 6:30.
Both are okay?
Learners, listen. Confidence is key.
Yes. Do not be perfect. Be clear.
Now, let us talk about meetings, appointments.
Very useful.
Henry, what time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m.
Repeat. The meeting is at 10 a.m.
Or, the meeting is at 10.
Yes. What time is your class?
My class is at 2 p.m.
Very good.
Now, time with at. Always use at with time.
Yes. At 7. At 9:30.
Repeat. At 9:30.
Very important. Small word, big meaning.
Now, let us slow down. Review together.
Asking time. What time is it?
Answering. It's 5 o'clock.
Adding minutes. It's 5:10.
5:30.
5:15.
5:45.
a.m. morning.
p.m. evening.
Daily life sentences.
Meetings and plans.
You are doing great. Yes, you.
Be proud.
Now, let us do a small role play, real talk.
Okay, I am ready.
Hi, Henry. What time is it?
It's 4:20.
Thanks. What time is the movie?
The movie is at 6 p.m.
Great. What time do we meet?
We meet at 5:30.
Perfect.
Learners, repeat one more time. We meet at 5:30.
Now relax again. Smile.
English is not scary. Time is not scary.
You just learned a big skill, a real life skill.
And you did it slowly, step by step.
This is Mastery in English. Simple, friendly.
If you like this lesson, please support us.
Subscribe to the channel, like this video.
And comment below.
Tell us what time is it now?
See you next time.